Class 9. Today we will continue exercise 7.1 triangles chapter number 7 question number 6. So we already have done till question number 5. Now question number 6 is exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1. Question number 6. The question 6 is in figure AC equals to AE. AC equals to AE. Now this is the given figure. Now it is A, B, C, it is A. In this figure AC equals to AE. These two sides are equal, and AB equals to AD. And another thing is angle BAD. This angle equals to this angle. This angle equals to this angle. Now we have to prove so that BC equals to DE. BC equals to DE. First, we have to prove the congruency of two triangles ABC and ADE. So it is given that here AC equals to AE. It is given AC equals to AE given, and AB equals to AD. It is also given, and angle BAD equals to angle CAE. BAD equals to angle EAC or CAE. Angle EAC. Now to prove BC equals to DE. Now proof. In proof we consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Okay, from these two triangles, in triangle ABC and in triangle ADE, ABC and ADE, these two sides are equal. It is given. In triangle ABC, side AB, in triangle ADE, side AD are equal. AB equals to AD. AB equals to AD. It is given. Then AC equals to AE. For triangle ABC, AC, for triangle ADE, AE, both sides are equal. It is also given. AC equals to AE. It is also given. And angle BAD, equals to angle BAD equals to angle EAC. It is also given, but BAD are not in triangle ABC. We have to calculate the angle involved in triangle ABC or triangle ADA. So EAC also not involved in ADA. So we have to calculate the triangle involved in ABC and ADE. For this, we have to add this angle on both sides of this equation. So if you add this with this, you will get BAC. If you add DAC in BAD, DAC in BAD, you get BAC. If you add DAC with EAC, you get this angle. Now adding DAC on both sides, angle BAD plus angle DAC equals to angle EAC plus angle DAC. Okay, look at BAD plus DAC. BAD plus DAC, you get this angle means BAC. So this equals to angle BAC equals to, in right hand side, EAC plus angle DAC, you will get DAE. Angle DAE. Now we can write, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE by SSA. This is side, and this is angle. Congruency. If the triangles are congruent, ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. Now we can write BC equals to DE. BC equals to DE. BC equals to DE. It is E. BC equals to DE. So hence BC equals to DE. By which criteria? By CP CT. Now this is proved. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.